Hi guys, Dwight from Impact Off-Road, and today we're going to take a strut from an S510P from a single point mount to a 3-point mount. Now after removing your strut from the box, you will find it's got a flat on the bottom of the circle, so we have to remove the flat. Placing your plate in the vise, grab yourself a 12.5 or a 30mm drill bit, put it in the vise and drill it out. After doing that, remove it, and as you see, we've got a perfectly round hole. Now once we've done that, we need to remove our pins. Open the vise slightly with a hammer. Remove our pins, leaving us 3 holes. Place again in the vise, and this time with the 12mm drill bit, 10mm drill bit, we're going to drill out the holes. Now we have our plate ready to fit. Taking your strut that you've already removed from your S510P, place in a secure position. And it's very important that when you use spring compressors, be very careful. It is dangerous, but not if you do it correctly. Try to compress as many spring coils as you possibly can. Spring coils, compressors on, and carefully compress your spring. A little bit of time. Maybe too aggressive. Now when your spring is free, using a 17mm socket, you can now remove the top of the strut, removing just this black bush only. Taking your modified cap, placing it on top, with your nut, ensuring a drop of Loctite. Once fitted, 17mm spanner and a 6mm Allen key, and make sure it's tight. Once it's in place, you can then release the tension on your spring compressors evenly. And there we have your modified strut. Now, we'll go over to the car and I'll show you how to modify the mounting point. Come with me. Welcome back. We're in the inside of a Jumbo S510P and we are now going to fit the strut, or modify the mounting point for the strut. Now this is our impact off-road template. Take our template, place that on top, underneath, bolt it up nice and tight, positioning it so that you've got a nice flat surface underneath here and a flat surface underneath there. There may be a join on this one here. Okay? Once that's nice and firm and secure, you can then take your 10mm drill bit and drill a hole straight down. Don't get tempted to drill all three at once. Please take my advice. Using a 10mm bolt, secure this hole first. Now that that's secure, we then go to this hole here with also a flat surface beneath. Very good. And once again, with a short mill, 10mm bolt, secure your plate. Now the last hole sometimes can be a little bit difficult, but if you secured it securely, it shouldn't be too bad. Very good. Once the hole is done, you can then remove your plate. Once removed, make sure you clear the swarf from around and paint any surfaces, especially the painted surfaces. Once we've cleared away all the swarf, painted your holes, you can then take your strut, your new lift kit. Now if you have a look at your lift kit, you'll see there's a taper on one side. Place the taper down on top of your strut with a 12mm bolt, and you should be able to lift that up, secure it with a nut. Now, if you do that loosely, on your last one, once again, put a drop of Loctite on your bolt or on your nut. Once that's tight, then loosen this one, add your drop, tighten, remove this one, add a drop of Loctite, and then you can secure your strut. And there is your strut lift on an S510P. Hope that helps. Any questions, contact us online and get back to you soon. Thank you.